Hello visitors, how are you? I hope you people are doing great in your lives. In this video, I am covering the step listen to your voice. But before this, if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe it now. As our sir said, there is no free cup of coffee in the world. If I am giving the free cup of coffee to you guys, then it's up to you to take one sip or all of it. So let's start doing voice recorder. This is the app for your voice recorder in Windows 10. You can have it in Windows 7. So I press in this icon and I start recording my audio. Hello visitors, how are you? I hope you people doing great in your lives. What I expect you guys to follow my videos and then watch the related videos from the YouTube and then make up your vocabulary, English speaking skills, English writing skills, and English listening skills. These three things are very important for IELTS students. So I told you all the steps in my video step by step so that you don't have to worry about the things which you haven't done in the past. So adopting this step and listening to your voice will decrease your pronunciation and English grammatical errors and English sentence structure. So that's it. This is the main part I covered. Then it is up to you again to practice again and again to get successful journey up ahead. Thanks a lot. So I have recorded this video. Let's play it and let's start recording my audio. Hello visitors, how are you? I hope you people doing great in your lives. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Stay blessed.